Fitbit Premium expired, but you'd prefer to keep the benefits rolling? There's a few things you can do to keep those trials trialing. I compared Fitbit Free and Premium a couple of years ago, and while a few more of the scores have made their way over to the free version, the conclusion hasn't changed all that much. The most noticeable and impactful feature will still be the coaching tab, for those who value it. But that does also include the AI-created daily run on the Pixel Watch 3 and above, which I do sometimes use as it keeps things interesting. And I guess in the future, making sense of the mountain of fitness data you have with the AI health coach. Obviously, you get your 6 months included with a Pixel Watch, just to get used to it. But you let that elapse, and what now? For the UK region, Premium is bundled with the Google One subscription, so that's a bonus. But that looks to end in late 2026, and isn't offered anywhere else. So for the rest of us, well, you can always get the same 6-month trial again if you jump over to another account and add your device there. Not a bad option if you don't care about historical data and just want to keep Premium. It's not something I like though, as I want it all in one place. So for that then, our first option, wait a few days. Then go into the Fitbit Premium section and it'll sometimes have a 3-month trial offer. Clicking between annual and monthly just to check. Don't expect this to appear again right after serving the same 3-month offer though. But it is worth checking again after our next option. So second is using an old Fitbit device. I still have my old Fitbit Versa 2 laying around, which you can likely pick up pretty cheap. I expect this would also work with a number of old Fitbit models, but can't guarantee each, as their behaviour may change. In this case, it's factory resetting the device, then adding it to your Fitbit account. Unlike Pixel Watches, where they seem to know they've been used before, the old Fitbits present as new each time and offer its 6-month free trial again. We can then remove the old Fitbit, re-add whatever your daily device is, and you're good again for a while. See you in 6 months, where we can start the whole process over again. Just make sure to keep track of the old Fitbit and funky charger in that time.